So I want to meal prep 2 overnight oats, 2 rice cooker meals, kind of crackers, cheese, and meat, and a couple peanut butter sandwiches. So that's on the list. So let's get started. This is everything I need for overnight oats, except I'm going to make milk too. And I have, just like my rice, I have my milk in 1 cup servings. So it's 1 cup dry, 3 cups wet. And then I put a little bit of vanilla in it and a tiny bit of sugar. And then I'm going to do apple in my overnight oats. So let me cut that up and get that started. Yeah, I just used the rest of the bag. Usually I go a little bit higher with the oats, but that's fine. I still eat a fruit with all my breakfast. And 1 apple, we'll do 3. And I usually do 3 overnight oats because a whole can of fruit will do 3 of these. So I usually just do a can of fruit in them. And my brother gave me like 4 of these when he was leaving town the same time I was. But he was getting on a plane. So there we go. And the oats, they're just from Dollar Tree. Now let's do the milk. That's 1 cup of dry milk to 3 parts water. You can do a little more water. And the only reason why I'm making milk is because I'm going to make some peanut butter sandwiches. Spilled a little bit. And just whisk. And you want to let it sit overnight. You don't drink it right away. I'm going to put a little bit of vanilla. Oh, that was a little more than I wanted. And like a teaspoon of sugar. Makes it less bitter, less fake tasting. Peanut butter sandwiches, self-explanatory. I don't like jelly. I looked at apple butter, but you have to keep it in the refrigerator, and I don't always have ice, so I do like peanut butter and butter, and I have powdered butter, but I haven't made it or tried it yet. Three peanut butter sandwiches, and that'll just sit right on the inside top of my cooler. Easy to grab. Okay, this is the 3rd time we've used the rice cooker. So same thing. Spray it. I got my broccoli. I'm only going to use half of the jalapeno. 1 cup of water. I have my rice pack, which I did up in 1 serving pack, so I only have to grab a bag. I don't have to deal with a whole bag and pouring it and putting it away, and some spices. I don't wash my rice. I never have. Probably never will. Don't come at me. It's a sausage. I forgot. I changed my mind. I do that a lot. I just want soy sauce in it. It's also on a lane where I'm parked. Kinda. So I just put my little measuring cups under there. I actually have, I don't know what they're called, shivs or the triangle things. I don't know. My daddy made some to go under the legs, but they're buried. So this will be meal for 2 days. And I have that plugged in over here to my 1800 watt battery and running this. Okay, now it's on cook. Running the rice cooker on my battery, the rice cooker runs about 30 minutes and it takes about 20% off of my 1800 watt battery. So I can use it 4-ish times. So today we made 2 overnight oats with apple. We made milk. We made 3 peanut butter sandwiches plus what's in my rice cooker. And I also have like saltine crackers, sliced cheese, and words are hard. And pepperoni I got pepperoni from Dollar Tree. It's delicious. It's $1.25. So, yeah, I'm set for the weekend. If the park gets busy, I don't have to leave my car. Everything in here is self-sufficient. Electricity, kitchen, whatever I need, it's in my car. So, I will see you when the rice cooker is done. This is done. Oh, it smells delicious. Okay, I'm gonna have to leave that cover off for a little bit because I gotta put it in bags and it's gotta cool off. And I did turn it off, unplugged it. So I'll just leave it like that so the birds don't get it. And we'll be back. And there's 2 dinners. And yet they're still hot because people are trying to people with me. I'm kind of at the end of a trail where you can go across the street over there. So there's runners going by asking me what's for dinner and telling me how good it smells, and I'm not a peopler today, so yep, I'm gonna bag it up hot and I'll let it cool off and then put it in the cooler. I'm gonna get this cleaned up so I can shut myself away in my car. Everything's cleaned up, back in its place. I am fully meal prepped for at least 2 days. maybe even going into 3 days, which is great for a weekend. So I don't have to think about what am I going to make and, where is it in my car? Am I going to be bothering people that are around me? And the weekend people go out and I don't want to be out. I just want to be in my car. During the week it's fine. There's not as many people. I'll leave this as a short video. I'm just meal prepping for the weekend. I'm glad you came along with me. I'm Andy. I live in this little tiny car, Volkswagen Tiguan, 2012. Just traveling the coastline. Right now it's Michigan. I mean, honestly, tomorrow it could be somewhere else. But I'll see you in the next one.